Mentari Intercultural School has been my home for years. Here, I can inspire and get inspired.
Working here, I found a nurturing environment that values creativity and innovation.
Every day here at Mentari, we work with our students, helping them become the very best versions of themselves. That keeps you younger all the time.
Komitmen Mentari terhadap keragaman ras, agama, dan budaya telah memberikan pengalaman berharga dalam proses mengajar saya.
The collaborative spirit among staff and the warm relationships with students have made my journey here truly remarkable.
Mentari School, it's not just a place to work, it's a family and we are always growing. And it's a place where we celebrate success together.
Join our growing family at Mentari Intercultural Schools, where wonderful experiences await. If you're ready to inspire and be inspired, we'd love to welcome you aboard.